quick overview of our aux fuel controller kit. We have the micro squirt, the fuse cover to go with it, main micro squirt connection, serial communication port for tuning, ground cable, positive with an added fuse. Coming over here we have tuning cable, the laptop part of the tuning cable. Up here this goes to the coil for a spark output so we can see what RPM our car is running at. The stock harness side of the map sensor. This is our map sensor input to the micro squirt. And then going down the line we have injector 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is our Incognito Aux fuel controller in a nutshell. All of this is plug and play with a stock harness. You don't need to do any cutting of wires, splicing, or anything. Makes it really simple to install. I can have this on a car in about 5 minutes and off the car in about 5 minutes. So if you want to part out after you decide you don't have enough power on a Fiesta, you can do that. If you want to grab one, do a quick install on the weekend for aux fuel because you want to run E85 next weekend, you can do that too.